Hi there everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to recover deleted TikTok messages. So if you just want to recover the deleted messages of your TikTok, watch till the end of this video and you will get to know how you can recover the deleted messages. So let's get started in no time. First of all, let me just open up the TikTok application in front of you, and then let's just tap on the profile icon right bottom corner. All right, just tap on that, and now you need to go to the three dots on the right upper side and then tap on the settings and privacy option in front of you, and this will open up here. So now we will go to the account section on the first side, and then just tap on the download your data. Go with that option. So you need to select the file format as txt. All right, then go with the all data option right over here, and then just tap on the request data option, and this will bring up to you like this. All right, then you will see another option, then it will process the data for you. It generally takes 1 or 2 minutes for you. So after that you will see a same download option right in front of you. All right, then you need to tap on the download, and then it will brings up into the Google Chrome, and now you will see the download now option. So as you can see, we got the download zip file right in front of you. So we need to tap on the zip file, and then we need to extract the file. All right, as this is a zip file, we need to extract it. So let's just tap on that, and then tap on the extract file, and then extract. So it will take some time to extract the file. All right guys, as you can see, we got the file right in front of you. So here is the TikTok data. So we need to go this folder, and then again tap on the TikTok, and then you will see the direct messages option. So you need to tap on that, and then here is the direct messages txt. So tap on that, and now you will see different types of messages, as I didn't have any messages in my direct message section, so I got no messages. But if you have messages previously that you send it to anyone, if you just send and delete that messages, that will also appear right in front of you in this text file. So hope this video helps you out. If it's, please leave a like and comment down below if it works or not, and I will catch you guys in the pretty next one. Peace out.